Belly up to the bar. Unraveling the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, belly up to the bar. This phrase has a colorful history and usage, and by the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means but also how to use it in conversation. So, let's get started. Belly up to the bar is an idiomatic expression that originated in the United States. To belly up to the bar means to approach or move up close to a bar counter, where drinks are served, with the intention of ordering a drink. This phrase paints a vivid picture of someone pressing their belly against the bar as they lean in to order, perhaps indicating eagerness or readiness to consume alcohol. The phrase, belly up to the bar, harks back to the days of saloons in the American Wild West. Saloons were social hubs where people gathered to drink, socialize, and sometimes conduct business. The expression captures the bustling atmosphere of these saloons, where patrons would squeeze in close to the bar to order their drinks amid the crowded space. Using belly up to the bar in conversation can add a playful or nostalgic tone, depending on the context. It's often used humorously or informally to suggest going to get a drink, especially in a social setting. Here are a few examples. After a long week of work, I'm ready to belly up to the bar and relax with friends. At the wedding reception, everyone was eager to belly up to the bar for a toast to the newlyweds. The phrase also holds a certain cultural significance, evoking images of camaraderie, leisure, and the historical social scene of bars and saloons. It's a reminder of the communal aspect of drinking culture, where bars serve as gathering places for people to unwind and connect. We hope this exploration of the phrase, belly up to the bar, has been enlightening and entertaining. English is full of colorful idioms and expressions that add richness and depth to our conversations. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding the culture and history that shape the way we speak. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language in our future videos. Cheers!